Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Teams chat retention with retention policies step by step clearly. Open your Microsoft Teams application. Navigate to the Teams section on the left sidebar. Select the team that you want to check retention policies for. Click on the three dots next to the team name. Choose Manage Team from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Settings tab. Locate the messaging section within the settings. Scroll down to the Retention Settings option. Check if a retention policy has been applied to the team chat. If a policy is applied, note its duration and conditions. Next, open the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center in your web browser. Sign in with your admin credentials. On the left sidebar, locate and click on Solutions. Select Information Governance from the options available. Click on Retention to view your existing retention policies. Identify the relevant policy that affects Microsoft Teams chat. Review the details of the policy, including the scope and retention duration. Take note of any specific conditions or exceptions that may apply. Return to Microsoft Teams and access the chat of interest. Examine the message timestamps in the chat. Compare these timestamps against the retention policy duration. Determine if the messages are still available or if they are scheduled for deletion. Document your findings for future reference. Repeat this process for any additional teams as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.